in a bit. But I think we're also kind of winding down today's session. 2 minutes to go for market closing, and it's going to be sort of neither here nor there kind of a day. But this week, every day has been a big day. With yesterday we were up about 80 points. Otherwise, it's been in some days double centuries or triple centuries. So it's been a very large week, so as to speak. Today it's quieter, really. Bank Nifty, let's just take a look at whether that index finally ends in the green. Barely so. It's almost, blinking. 5-point change on the Nifty bank, so nothing at all. But broader market, mid caps and small caps are much better. The small cap index is up about 1/3%. The mid cap index is up about 0.6%. So that's indices change today.
Well, in terms of the large cap action, Adani Ports reverses after yesterday's fall. Top Nifty gainer, 2.5% rally. The sector of the day was clearly power. In the large cap space, Power Grid, NTPC gaining 1-2%. But outside of that, Tata Power, double-digit up move. SJV and NHPC all seeing some solid gains. On the losing side, Bharti Airtel is the top loser, 2.5% lower, and now below the 1,000 rupee mark, at least on the final tick for Bharti Airtel. This is after Warburg Pincus, in a block deal, sold their stake in Bharti Airtel. HUL corrected, Apollo Hospitals, ONGC ending in the red.
Well, that's right, Reema. On the bottom of the screen, you're getting that news coming in. The government has asked mills to not use sugar juice for ethanol output for the next fiscal. So I think that was the fear in terms of news on the sugar space. And that's why the last two sessions, you have seen a sharp downtick, particularly on stocks like Balrampur Chini. The stock, I think, in 2 sessions is down more than 15%. Today, it saw a bit of a bounce back, but I think this is official news that's coming in now. And we'll try to analyze that in further detail. But for the time being, this stock, particularly if you pull up the intraday chart, in the last few minutes, you saw a big downtick on that one as well.
Okay, well, that's the session today. And that brings us to an end in this edition of Closing Bell as well.
But celebrations